everyone, welcome to Tech Programming CSIT. Today we are going to learn how to speak English fluently with confidence. Confidence is fundamental to communication and an important catalyst to the whole process, how we perceive others and are perceived by them.
Number 1. Listen properly and repeat. We all have our favorite movies or television shows, but instead of just watching, listen carefully to what the character or host has to say and repeat the dialogue that interests you. Number 2. Find a friend who can help you. It's always difficult to practice by yourself, especially when it comes to improving your speaking skills. Therefore, find a like-minded group of friends or classmates who share your goal of becoming more confident in using English. Number 3. Read out loud. Spend at least 30 minutes every day reading and then another 30 minutes reading out loud. This is a great way of developing your reading skills while practicing pronunciation as well as intonation of various words and lengths of sentences. Number 4. Don't be afraid. Making mistakes is normal. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. If you find yourself stumbling across long or complicated words, simply stop and give yourself a few seconds to breathe. Then continue speaking. All the best. Best of luck.